Welcome back to the show, where careers go global and excuses don't survive. Tonight's topic: international contracts, salary negotiations, and the silent mistakes that cost people years of income. And joining me today, she negotiates numbers the way poets write verses. Precise, intentional, and impossible to ignore. Let's talk.
I like that intro. Let's make sure your listeners never get underpaid again.
Everyone wants international contracts. Few actually get them. Why?
Because most people chase locations instead of value. Clients abroad don't hire geography. They hire certainty. If you sound unsure about your worth, they'll pay you like it. If you speak in outcomes, delivery, stability, leadership, they listen closely.
So it's not about applying more?
Oh no, it's about positioning better. Your profile should whisper, "I've done this before," not scream, "Please pick me."
Let's stir the pot. Contractor or third-party payroll?
That depends. Do you want freedom or comfort?
Dangerous question.
As a contractor, you earn more, control more, but you carry the risk. No safety net, no emotional support. Third-party payroll feels safer. Monthly pay, fewer headaches. But remember, you're not the client, you're inventory.
So what's the smart move?
Senior roles, contract, long, predictable roles, payroll. Confusion comes when people want freedom with employee comfort. That math never works.
Let's talk money. Why do people mess this up?
Because they negotiate emotionally. I negotiate structurally.
Explain that.
4 layers. Always. Market rate, your individual value, risk premium, and what actually lands in your bank. Never give a single number. Give a range. Never rush to fill silence. Silence is seductive power. Gentle chuckle. And never negotiate like you're afraid to lose them. Confidence is very attractive.
Red flags, let's name them.
If they say, "We'll revise later," ask where it's written. If they say, "This is standard," ask who's standard. If they rush you, it's because they don't want questions.
What's the biggest trap?
Mixing gross numbers with emotional promises, bonuses, future hikes, expansion plans. If it's not contractual, it's flirtation, not commitment.
Last words, what should people always remember?
You're not expensive, you're specific. Negotiation is not confrontation, it's clarity. And the strongest position? Being perfectly okay with walking away.
That's wisdom and a warning. If this episode saved you even one bad contract, it paid for itself.
And if it made you negotiate better next time, you're welcome. Until next time, know your worth and don't let anyone discount it.